Ta-da!
It's a magic potion.
What does it smell like?
I don't know. How do you open this? You need to twist it. Oh. Wow. A lot of things inside. Oh. We have a wand for mixing. Is he gonna make magic with a potion? Magic bottle. We're gonna separate the pink and the purple. Can you do that? Put the pink here and put the purple here. How about the others? Thank you. Okay, this is our magic bowl. Sophie will put the magic dust. Magic dust. Put it inside the bowl. Magic dust.
Smells yummy.
Smells yummy. Yeah, it smells good. Some water. Can you pour it inside? Then I think you need to mix it. Hold your cup. There. Looks good. Oh, cute ah! Wow. Mix the magic potion. Shoot it inside. Shoot it inside, ha? Okay. Ooh. Here you go. You need to squeeze it out, okay? You can squeeze it here. Squeeze. Can I see? Ooh, it's becoming slimy. Pour it inside. Oh, seashells! And one last for the potion. Wow, sparkly ah.
I like it.
Eee. It's sticky. This is potion number 1 and potion number 2. You need to pour the potion inside your bowl.
Ow!
Ow! Out you go!
Books of the Mermaid.
Because of the mermaid, what did they do? Pour it. Ah! Sticking! Come out! Come out! Ooh! Yee! Get it out!
Bring it out.
Bring it out. I think you need to hold it. Ooh! Slimy.
Me, I'm using the spoon.
The magic wand. Ah! And I think, oh no! Oh, you mix it na, sige. Mixing. Are you dancing? Shake. Ay, sorry.
Because of the star.
Oh, because of the star. I'm so sorry. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for telling me. Want some slimy potion? Ooh, gooey. Put it inside. I think that's the ano lang. It's the sad part. Some of the beads are falling off. It's this tiny. Ooh. It's so long. Oh, so long. Oh, so long. Ah. Woohoo. Eh. Your potion looks nice. You call Daddy. Daddy! Look what Sophie made.
Ta-da!
Wow!
What is it?
White.
It's white?
Is
A
it
white
a
what?
potion?
Yeah.
A white potion?
Then put it into here.
Oh, it's like pouring. Did you like it?
And then push it into it too. Can I push it? Ta-da!
Ah!
I put the one.
Yeah.
The one into